Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz? My friend sold dry Porsches, I must make